Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to mix multiple choice questions using a program called McMix. McMix is a free and easy to use program. First, we have to download the program. Click on the browser here and search for download McMix. And then you click on the first result from the website download.com.vn. Next, click on the download button here. And the setup file will be downloaded for you. Okay, now the download is complete. Just click on it and start to set up McMix normally. Now, the installation is complete. You can see an icon here on the desktop. Okay, but before we use McMix, we need to codify our test so that it is compatible with the program. Remember that your test must be in the doc or the docs format here. Now, open file. On the test file, the first thing you need to do is to underline the correct answers. For example, this question, the correct answer is A. So I'll underline A. For this question is also A. Underline it. For this question, the answer is D. For this question, the answer is also D. Okay, and you need to do the same thing for the rest of the test. Now, within each part of the test, we need to type this code at the beginning. And this code at the end of the instruction. We need to do it in order to signal a new part. Okay, and we do the same thing for the rest of the text. Now, to mix the order of items within a part, we need to type this code under each item. Okay, type this code under each item and do the same thing for the rest of the test. Now, we move on to the guided close and the reading comprehension questions. The guided clause and the reading comprehension questions are set in a specific order, so order of the options without changing the order of the questions. We can stabilize the questions that way with this format. We use this format before the questions, and we use this format before the range of options. So, for example, this is question number 2. So I will type this code. I will type this code before the question and I will type this code before the set of options. And I will do the same thing for the rest of the parts. Okay, and that's done. We also use the same code for the reading comprehension questions, like this. Now we move on to another part, the error correction part. The error correction is a special part because there are no words after each A, B, C, D options. So the program will read our questions as having no answers. Therefore, we need to inform the program of the correct answers by using this equation. We use this equation to inform the program of the correct answer, and in this equation, the letter X here represents the correct answer. So, for example, for this question, the answer is A. So, here's the equation. For the second question, the answer is C. So, I will type in this equation. For the last question, the answer is D. So I will type in OK. And then we add this usual code at the end of each item to signal the mixability of the item within the part. We add this usual code under each item. Okay, now we are ready to mix it up. The program now can read your test and it's time to mix it up. Now let's open McMix. We will see this starting screen here. First, we need to add an exam by clicking here. Type in the code and the name of the exam to these two blanks. and then click Save. Now, with an exam, you need to add a subject to it. Click on Add here, and then type in the information. For example, my test has 50 questions and it is 6 long. And I want to start each item with the word question. And of course, the test will start with question number 1. Okay, now we need to click here to make the test. Before adding questions to the test, we need to click on here to fill in the information and choose our format. As you can see, the template will be by default, but we can also use our custom one. Click Save. Now, I will show you how to add your own template. Go back to the main menu, click on System, click on Print Format. As you can see, we can add our own pre-made template, header, and footer. I have created a template for the National University Entrance Exam, so I will import it here. Click on Add. Wait a minute, and then click on Import. Choose the template file, rename it, and then click Save. Now, back to adding questions to the test. We need to click here, and then click on Add. As you can see, the interface resembles that of Microsoft Word. We click on Import to import the questions from the test file. Remember to close the docs file first. Now, I would choose the test file. We can make some edits if you see any mistakes in the file, like this, for example. And you can also copy the questions from an outside source and paste it here without having to click on Import. Now, I will click Save. And the program will run and check file. This process may take a while, so we need to be patient.
A few minutes later. A few minutes later.
Okay, now we have added the questions. Let's escape the screen. Next, we might want to print the standard test. Click on this button. Choose the template. And then save. There we go. This is our standard test. Okay, the standard test has been saved in the destination folder. Next, let's go for the mixed tests. Click on this button. Click on Add and choose the number of tests that you want. Here I want 5 tests, so I will type 5. Then save. Here we go. Here are the 5 mixed tests with their respective code. As you can see, the order of the questions and the order of the options have been mixed up. You can also mix the order of the parts by moving them like this. For example, I move it here, and I move this part up here. Okay, and then click Save. The final step is to make those mixed tests. Click on the test and then click on this button to generate the chosen test. Now, the mixed tests have been created. Let's wait a couple of minutes. Okay, now it is saved in the destination folder, and we need to do the same thing for the rest of the 4 tests. Now, we have created 5 different mixed tests and they are saved in the destination folder. I will show it to you. Here they are. Okay, I hope that this tutorial is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.